I'm super excited to share with you a recipe that is a staple in many homes and cuisines around the world. It's incredibly delicious and easy to make. Today, we're making stewed red beans that are packed with flavor and loaded with protein. They are not mushy, but have the perfect texture. To make these amazing stewed red beans, you first need to soak the red beans for a minimum of 2 hours. We are using small grain red beans. Drain off the water, give them a rinse, and into a pot they go. Now let's start building the flavors. In goes half cup of diced white onion, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, diced carrots, and diced pumpkin. These need to boil until soft, or you can also pressure them. These small grains cook faster than the larger grains. After 45 minutes, let's check the beans for softness. This is perfect. We will now add some real flavor to this stew. We are adding 2 cups of coconut milk, 1 sprig of green onion sliced, 1 tablespoon of blended ginger, 1 tablespoon of chopped pimento peppers, 1/4 cup of green bell peppers, 1 small bunch of chopped parsley, and now for our dry spice: black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, chili flakes, vegetable Maggie, and we are adding 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup, which takes the flavor way over the edge. Salt to taste. Stir in all the flavors and cover it up, and we're gonna let it simmer for 15 minutes. The beans will absorb all this delicious flavor. Take a look at that rich, vibrant color and perfect consistency. Don't allow the liquid from the beans to reduce too much at the final 15 minutes, because once these beans get cold, they will get very thick. So you want to leave enough liquid that when they get cold, you still have a beautiful consistency. Thank you for watching today's episode. Make sure you subscribe, share the video, help me to grow my YouTube channel by telling a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.